Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will guide you on how to use Notion for designers. So let us begin. Whether you are contemplating joining the Notion community or are already part of it, this video is tailor-made for you. Notion is your pristine canvas to add, collaborate, and iterate on content seamlessly. From task management to meeting notes and user research data, Notion's got your back. Start with a blank workspace or explore the template picker for design inspiration. Dive into the design section to find ready-to-use templates, perfectly adjustable to your needs. By adding a template to your workspace, you create a design system database, a singular source of truth. What sets Notion apart is that each entry in the database gets its own page. Here, you can add a variety of information from text and images to code snippets, Figma files, and PDFs. Properties at the top of each entry's page offer key details. To explore further, dive into the tutorials or explore the template gallery. With Notion, your design journey becomes streamlined, efficient, and creative. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.